In this video we're going to look at conditional formatting. Now if you look at this part of the spreadsheet here, this is where we enter the position of each house in each race, and what we want to do is we want to get it to highlight the house that came first. We're going to make their cell turn green so we can quickly identify who won the race. Now the first thing we need to do is we need to make sure the ribbon at the top here is visible. You can do this by clicking on this little icon here and making sure it says show tabs. So if you've hidden the ribbon like this, for example, just click on the top, click on the little icon and then say show tabs and commands. Once we've done this, we select the area we're working with. I want to work with all these cells here, and then I'm going to go up to conditional formatting up here and click on this. This is on the home tab. So you'll notice various different choices appear. I'm going to choose new rule, and then it comes up with this dialog here. I want to select a rule type, and the rule is format only cells that contain. And then if you look down the bottom here, this changed depending on the choice I chose at the top. It says format only cells with the cell value between. Well, I'm going to change that to say equal to. There's various different options you've got here. So I'm going to say equal to, and the position I'm interested in is first. So it's going to, if the cell value is equal to 1, it's going to format it the way we specify down here. Now currently we've got no format set, so I'm just going to press the format button, and another dialog box will pop up on the screen, and in here I can specify the way that Excel will display the cell. So as you can see in here, if I go on to fill, this is the background color, just the same as formatting in Excel usually, and I'm going to choose that. We're going to have a green background color. Now black text on a green background color doesn't show up very well, so I'm then going to go on to font, and in here I'm going to change the color down here to be white like this. I then press OK, and this is what the cell will look like. So when this rule applies, when the cell value equals 1, it will go green, and if I click OK, then that's all the cells with a 1 in there go green. Now just as an experiment, I'm going to go and change this score here from first. We will say they didn't compete, we'll put a 0 in there, and you notice that when I press enter, the cell value changes color, but when I change the cell back to 1, it changes color to green. So using conditional formatting, you can really make Excel highlight certain cells very easily and very quickly.